You have enabled GitHub Copilot. Your agents are running, you are happy, but let me ask you one question. When that agent run now, how many LLM call did it make? Which tool did it evoke? Was there a silent failure? Somewhere in the middle that is quietly recovered from without telling you. If you can't answer this, you are not running AI assisted workflow. You are running an AI assisted black box, and that's exactly what I am going to cover in today's video. Hello friend, welcome back to Democratize Quality. This is Raj, and today I will be taking you through how you can turn the telemetry monitoring for your Copilot agent in Visual Studio Code. And it is all locally and set up under 5 minutes with a single Docker container. You don't require any cloud account, no paid platform, just real traces and real matrices from every agent interaction. So let's get into this. But before getting into the demo, let's understand why this thing matters. What happens when you are interacting with your agents? So there are few blind spots. One, it may be making multiple LLM call internally before giving a response. Each one costs time and token. Two, one of your tool might be slow, the agent waits and the whole thing feels sluggish. You blame the model, but it may be something else. It may be your tool. It may be your MCP server. Three, agent recovered from a failure gracefully, but the time you see the output, the failure is buried into 3-layer deep. You never know what happened, what you can improve. And then you wanted to see how it has improved. So this is something which gives us a black box feeling. But with the latest release of Visual Studio Code, open telemetry standards, it comes with traces, matrices, and event. Traces means the full execution tree of every interaction the agent has made, how it is started, the LLM call, tool evocation. Matrices gives us the count or the numbers. For an example, the important one is our token usage, token count. And the event is the complete life cycle of a session where how many LLM calls, tool calls it made, how many pass, how many fail. For viewing the telemetry data, you have to have a tool. So for this purpose, we are going to use Aspire. Aspire is a .NET based tool which give you access of your telemetry data locally, and it comes free. So if you open your terminal and run this command, after some time it will start the Docker container. Open your browser and just hit the port localhost 188. The first time you open this one, it may not give you any trace. For this one, you have to interact with your agent. So let me quickly take you through Visual Studio Code and show you how it works. If you hit on your settings and then if you search for your settings, so for an example, I'm gonna search for the hotel enable flag first. So this checkbox has to be checked, so which I have already done. And then we have to select the exporter type. For this one, we have to select the gRPC for Aspire. And then the last property is your endpoint. All of your setting is done, and that's it. So now if you interact, why telemetry is important practice. So now it is going to make some call, it is going to query the server, and then it is going to give us some answer. With that one, if I go and open Aspire dashboard, so you will be seeing the details are coming here. If you go and open any of the details, so you can see the more details inside it. If you want to go inside there in the traces, you can see what time this has been started, what time it has finished. It called a execute tool, manage to-do list, exactly how much time each and every call took. So for an example, this one took 43 seconds, but out of those 43 seconds, this is the one where the model take to process all of the requests. So if you click on this one, you can see more details inside it. So what it is sending, you can see what system prompt it is sending. If it is sending any secret information or something, you can come and read it here as well. and then similar way what kind of role or the chat has been extended, what kind of data has been sent as well. And then you can also see that your token usage. So this way it gives you the complete access of your chat history. So this way you will be feeling more control when you are interacting with your LLMs. And it is private by default. With that one, you have seen the matrices which has shown turn count, how many times it goes here and there, and then first time it took to started the token, total tool count, and total token uses as well, which give you more confidence. With that one, I would say you cannot improve what you cannot measure. And right now most teams are measuring nothing, but with this step in Visual Studio Code, you should be able to see what you are using. With that one, happy learning and happy testing.